Good morning, everyone. Today is September 15, 2022, Thursday. So we can tell by the market to get a lot of good news for today and big event. So whoever get a boot option today, it's a good opportunity to get out because the market's going to be red. We can tell so a lot of them like red everywhere. And especially Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500 is going down. It's currently almost 7 a.m. Central Time, and all of them lost. And pretty normal because it's been up so much. And yesterday it's supposed to be lower, but anyway, the market sectors after finish the markets, and the hours shows like over 4,000 points. But anyway, they've been dropping before that. There's 23,000 points, so it's been $23,000 billion that we lost on the market on the whole nation 2 days ago, and yesterday it just plus 4,000 points. But anyway, it's going to be get a big change for today. We can tell the S&P 500 drop a little bit, Nasdaq and Dow Jones drop a little bit. So crude oil start to move in a little lower. So natural gas dropped too. So gold dropped a little bit under 1,700. That's awesome. So just pretty good deal. It's pretty good looking. So the food price starts stable a little bit, and it's not getting up anymore. This kind of what happened with all the number moving around that show the economy start to slow down, and the market's going to be drop through the economy too, because the economy is affect everything. But today it's going to be the market's going to be getting up a little bit and then drop back again. So it's really hard day to trade with the option for today. So anyway, you have to require with a lot of skill. And yesterday I got up it's really a personal problem. So please update your iPhone. If you have an iOS, please update them to the iOS 16, that you can get your phone smooth and run normal. Because like when I trade it's the morning, doesn't have any problem, but like in like after 10 the problem starts to show up. So when you trade, the signals doesn't move that well what it's supposed to be. So ETFs SPY going to be hits to 395, and if the market drop back today, it's going back to 390, and QQ going to be 300, but they drop back to 290. So ETF family, the best one for today is XLF 33, and you buy them down to $30. Of course, when you sell it have to be 35, $1 to $3 a share, and you get 100 share, 1 to 200, $100 to $300. That's easy for is ETFs family. With me, I know a lot of people, some of them they like ETFs much better than normal stock or option. Normal stock or option you have to do really fast, but ETFs you can keep them like a week or so in order to make a pretty good profit. And especially ETFs, someone say, oh, okay, I'm putting them on C2. That's awesome. So especially SPY and QQQ is going to be dropped today. Expect like around $3 or $5, depend on the market, depend on the Dow Jones, Nasdaq is the biggest one, and S&P 500 kind of support for the economy a little bit, but it's not the biggest one in the nation. And the balance system try to balance those stock number, pull them back a little bit, but it's not strong enough. But anyway, it still worked for the balance system anyway. And especially today, crypto is going to be a little bit higher, because yesterday crypto was doesn't look good at all, and especially like Shiba, Dogecoin, and a lot of them kind of drop back so much. So a lot of people, they can see on in the moving family, in crypto family, we can tell like it's look pretty different. That's the big leap. And especially Bitcoin getting up a little bit, 0.57%, and Bitcoin Cash 2%, and Chainlink 2%, and Polygon over 2.3%. So Solana is 2.5%, and Compound lost 3.5%, and a lot of them gain for today, but do not expect like that. It's going to be just getting slower. So especially Ethereum class is 7%. So we come back with the option, and today's you can guess some. You can tell there's a lot of call for today, for this morning. But anyway, a lot of put too. So we got like 4 call and 4 put for today. So anyway, it's market moving kind of a little weird and tricky. Sometimes it's, and Chartboy and Kano is the best one for the option for today. There's one more thing I want to say. When you see those calls more, and we jump on more, but when the call less is we jump on the put. So with the Federal could hide the interest rate by 100 basis points. So for next week, it's not seen moving likewise. So inflation like 80, the central bank short term like 2.25% to 2.5. But anyway, they can jump to, that's really pretty good amount for like 20% on top up whatever they with the nation bank, what they show up right now. But it's a lot of meeting in the coming up week. And first stock we're going to take a look for today is Tesla. TSLA shows now. When you buy them, keep them around under 300 because it's going to be a little bit low for today. Do not expect it to go up anymore. No, because usually this special moments going on for the market. So anyway, so we can tell the cap is a little lower already. 940 some right now, 948, and you know they can move around like $5 to $10 a day normally and usually, and it's pretty common number, everyone can tell. So based on the information, Tesla going to be open the battery company in Texas, and that's going to be bring back for Tesla like is expect like $6 to $20 billion just for one factory. Is building right now, and it's going to be finished as soon as possible. It's around 8 months to, they're going to be finished before that's like half years, but 8 months that's the latest. So in the Tesla range, we can tell it's a lot of buying yesterday. That's why Tesla getting up, and 33% of selling. That's why. And the second stock for today is KIGRY, like Khian Group AG. So buy them around $5.30 down to $5, and expect them drop to 4.5 or at least 4.8. Do not jump too fast, buy slow, buy small share, set them down. And 3.1 is the cap, and highest one is 29, lowest one is 5.8. Thank you very much. Have a good day, and see you guys next week, tomorrow.